Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at two words that are responsible for the funniest spelling and speaking mistakes in the English language.
Funny mistakes. Okay, I'm ready. What are the words today?
The words are dessert and desert.
Oh, dessert and desert. One is a delicious chocolate cake and the other is a hot, dry wasteland full of sand.
Exactly. For our English learners, these words look almost identical on paper, but they have different spellings and completely different pronunciations.
Let's start with the sweet one. Dessert is the food you eat at the very end of a meal, like ice cream, pie, or cookies. It is spelled with two S's in the middle.
And the pronunciation is very important here. The stress is on the second syllable, and the S makes a buzzing Z sound. Dessert.
Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you're at a fancy restaurant. You just finished a huge dinner, and the waiter asks, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
And you smile and say, "Yes, I will have the strawberry cheesecake." You are ordering dessert.
Now, let's look at the second word, desert. This is a hot, dry place where it almost never rains, like the Sahara. It is spelled with only one S.
And the pronunciation shifts to the front of the word. The stress is on the first syllable, and it sounds shorter. Desert.
Imagine a completely different scenario. You are walking under the hot sun for 3 days with no water. There are sand dunes and a few cactus plants everywhere.
Oh, I would be so incredibly thirsty. You are trapped in the desert.
Exactly. So if you mix these two words up in your writing or speaking, it paints a very funny picture.
Yes, imagine texting your friend, "I am so hungry. I can't wait to eat this giant chocolate desert."
You just told your friend you are going to eat a giant pile of dry, hot sand.
To stop you from eating sand, we have a very famous memory trick for English learners. Dessert, the sweet food, has two S's. Why? Because you always want a second serving of sweet things.
I love that trick so much. Two S's because it is so good you want more. One S for the sands because you definitely don't want extra sand in your mouth.
Your homework for today: think about your absolute favorite sweet treat to eat after dinner. Write down a sentence about it, making absolutely sure you use two S's. Practice saying it out loud, stressing the second syllable.
Little memory tricks like this are the secret to mastering English spelling. You can do it.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Enjoy your dessert. See you next time on Mady English Practice.